Hello Jeffrey, this is Sammy. I'm gonna show you how I fix your phone, and the problem is not be anymore. I hope so. Okay, let's see. Okay, okay, you see, right? Okay, turn off, turn off. Now opposed, open. Okay, good. So okay, now I fix the problem. It's gonna be easy to turn off the light here. Okay, you can see, no anymore problem when lights up. Here you are. And now I'm gonna show you the sweet key to turn off. You're gonna turn around, okay, in the back here. Look, no any more power. It's the same. Okay, everything's done. And this is the part is damaged, and I put a new one. This is a ship, and I'm gonna send you 2 new ones. Here one more. Okay, I could fix in hotel, but I make a new paint in the handset, and the body's okay. And the handset gonna be a little heavy because the problem is not having enough to turn off the sweet key. I cannot remove the sweet key because those make the everything's work inside to let they, when you push the button, make the sign to this phone is gonna beep. That have to be here. So now it's okay, right? So I'm gonna send you 2 bulbs, just in case, like this. Okay, I'm gonna here you are. I'm gonna show these 2 bulbs going inside. If you have some problem, I'm gonna send to you. Okay, and thank you very much, and I apologize for any inconvenience. I got you. And one more time, thanks to send the the commissioner Batphone for another customer I had. Okay, see you around. Thank you. Bye bye.